Hello, Whitney George here, Product Documentation Specialist for Aperio. In this video, you will learn about components and how to create a new component in CMC. Components are created during the plan phase of the Aperio way. Let's take a moment to talk about what exactly a component is. A component is a subset of the top-level deliverable in CMC, which is the product. A component is hierarchical, and this allows for a top-down grouping of stories. Components are flexible. They're designed to be flexible so that the project team can use them as needed to categorize requirements. And a component is required. Keep in mind that component is a required field on stories, so you will need to have at least one component for any product you create. Now that you know the basics, let's move to CMC for a quick step-by-step demonstration of creating a component. Okay, now I'm in CMC and I have navigated to the Products tab. In the previous video, I created a new product, this WG Sales and Service app, so I'm going to add my new components to this product. I select the product just by clicking here on the product name, and this takes me to the product record. So in the product record, I'll scroll down to the Components section, and I will click New Component. So clicking New Component brings us to this pretty short form. You can see here that there are two required fields, the product and the component name. Since we began by creating this component on our chosen product, we see that the product field is pre-populated for us. So it's time to name this component. So an example of a component that you may add to a product would be account management. So we'll add that as our first component here. We have a few different save options. If you just want to create a single component and move on, you can select save. If you would like to create multiple components at one time, you can do save and new. So let's go ahead and practice and create one more component here. So we'll save and new, and that just refreshes the form for us. Again, we're going to see that our product is already pre-filled. So let's do case management for our second component. And this time we'll go ahead and save and say that these are the only two components that we need to create on this product at this time. So we save. Now that we're back on our product record, we can scroll down to the component section and we'll see that the two components that we created are listed here now. If you have any questions on components or creating components in CMC, feel free to reach out to us on CMC Chatter. If you missed the video on how to create new products in CMC, definitely check that out as well. Thank you for watching this video today on creating new components in CMC.